Welcome to Milk Moments USA, your trusted guide for everything related to newborn care and parenting in the USA. Today's video is all about a complete newborn baby checklist, a must-watch if you're expecting a baby soon or just brought home your little bundle of joy. With so many baby products on the market, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Don't worry, we've broken everything down into essentials only, so you don't overspend or stress. Let's get started. Section 1. Clothing Essentials. First up, baby clothes. Newborns grow super fast, so you don't need a huge wardrobe. Stick to soft, breathable, and easy to change pieces. Here's what you'll need. 5 to 7 onesies, both short-sleeved and long-sleeved, 5 to 7 footed pajamas or sleep and play 2 to 3 swaddle blankets or wearable sleep sacks, 3 to 5 pairs of socks, 2 hats, especially if you're having a winter baby, 1 to 2 soft jackets or cardigans. Pro tip: look for clothes with front zippers or magnetic closures for easy nighttime changes. Section 2. Diapering needs. This is where you'll be spending a lot of your time and money. Here's your go-to diapering checklist. Newborn size diapers. Start with a small pack to test the fit. Unscented baby wipes. Bulk packs can save money. Diaper rash cream or ointment. A diaper changing pad or portable changing mat. A diaper bag for outing. Diaper pail. Optional but great for odor control. Cloth diapering. You'll need 20 to 24 cloth diapers and a good quality wet bag. Section 3. Feeding gear. Whether you're breastfeeding or formula feeding, here's what you need. For breastfeeding moms: 1 to 2 nursing bras, breast pads, disposable or reusable, nipple cream, nursing pillow, breast pump, manual or electric. Some insurance covers this. Milk storage bags for formula feeding. Formula of your choice. Check with your pediatrician. 6-8 baby bottles, 4 ounces and 8 ounces sizes. Bottle brush for cleaning, sterilizer or pot for boiling bottles. Section 4. Bath time basics. Newborns don't need daily baths, but having the right gear makes bath time safe and fun. Baby bathtub or a sink insert. 2 to 3 soft washcloths, 2 to 3 hooded baby towels, gentle baby shampoo and body wash. Fragrance-free is best. Soft baby brush or comb. Important tip: always test the water temperature with your wrist. It should feel warm, not hot. Section 5. Sleep essentials. Sleep is crucial for both baby and you. Here's what to prepare. Crib or bassinet that meets current safety standards. 2 to 3 fitted crib sheets, waterproof mattress protector, swaddles or sleep sacks. No loose blankets for safety. White noise machine, optional but helpful. Note: avoid crib bumpers, blankets, or stuffed animals in the crib. Section 6. Baby health and grooming. A simple health kit will keep you ready for small hiccups. Digital baby thermometer, nail clippers or baby nail file, nasal aspirator or bulb syringe, saline drops, baby lotion or moisturizer, baby safe laundry detergent. Don't forget a first aid manual or emergency contacts printed and stored in the nursery. Section 7. Travel and on-the-go items. Getting out of the house with a newborn requires some preparation. Infant car seat. Must have before leaving the hospital. Stroller compatible with your car seat or a travel system. Baby carrier or wrapped diaper bag. Stock it with diapers, wipes, outfit change, and burp cloths. Portable changing pad. Section 8. Optional but nice to haves. These aren't essentials, but they can make life easier. Pacifiers, if your baby uses them. Baby swing or bouncer, play mat or tummy time mat. Night light for late night feeds. Baby monitor, especially useful if the nursery is separate. And there you have it, a complete newborn baby checklist designed to simplify your life and prepare you for the beautiful journey ahead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Milk Moments USA for more practical tips and parenting advice made just for American moms. Drop a comment below with what item you found most useful, or something you wish you hadn't bought. See you in the next video, and congratulations again on your growing family.